This lesson helps you understand Chapter 8, Lesson 1, Fractions and Division. A fraction is a number that represents equal parts of a whole, or parts of a set. It's written as two numbers separated by a line. The number on top is the numerator, and is the number of parts you're representing. The number on the bottom is the denominator, and is the total number of parts of the whole, or the total number of parts in the set. For an example of parts of a whole, let's say this represents a candy bar. If you divide it into 4 equal parts, then one of the parts is represented by the fraction 1 over 4, which is pronounced 1/4. The numerator is the number of parts you're representing, 1. The denominator is the total number of parts of the whole, 4. For an example of parts of a set, here are 6 oranges. If you select 2 of them to eat for lunch, then those 2 oranges are represented by the fraction 2 over 6, and is pronounced 2/6. The numerator is the number of parts you're representing, 2, and the denominator is the total number of parts in the set, 6. You can also think of a fraction as division of the numerator by the denominator. This will help you write fractions to represent the following examples. In example 1, 2 pizzas are divided among 3 people. So that's 2 divided by 3, which is represented by the fraction 2 over 3. So each of the friends gets 2/3 of a pizza, which you can see in the picture. Each pizza is divided into 3 equal parts, and each person gets 2 of those 3 pieces. In example 2, 3 brownies are divided among 2 people. So that's 3 divided by 2, which is represented by the fraction 3 over 2. Notice from the picture, each person gets 1 whole brownie and half of the 3rd brownie. So each person gets 1 and 1/2 brownies. Notice that when the numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator, the fraction represents a number greater than 1. In this example, 3 over 2 represents 1 and 1/2. To get 1 and 1/2 from 3 over 2, just divide with the remainder. Notice that 3 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 1. So that's 1 and 1/2. Now pause the video and do guided practice 1. Then resume the video for the answer. For guided practice 1, 2 bags of birdseed are divided among 3 feeders. So that's 2 divided by 3, which is represented by the fraction 2 over 3. So each feeder gets 2/3 of a bag. This lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.